my gems. I hope that you guys have been having a great day, great week, great month, whatever. So I just celebrated my birthday. Your girl is 29 years young. So anyway, besides the point, today I'm going to be showing you guys this hairstyle. It's a simple Bantu knot hairstyle. I love this hairstyle. I wanted to do it since I saw Jada Pinkett Smith, and yes, it's a throwback. Jada Pinkett Smith in The Matrix. Yeah, so if you want to see how I did this simple, easy hairstyle look, continue to watch. Okay guys, so jumping into voiceover, let me just say, I was inspired by Jada Pinkett Smith with this hairstyle because I watched The Matrix the other day and I was like, oh, I'm going to do my hair like that again. And it was just like, okay, I'm going to do it. So I did it. But anyway, in order to achieve this Bantu knot look, you just have to either braid it, you could braid it, or you could twist it, or you could just twist the whole lock that you grab and you could just wrap it around your hair. To each its own. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the rest of the video, okay? Love you guys. Okay, y'all, so another sweet, simple, straight to the point kind of hairstyle. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. But before we end this video, please remember to leave a like, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button so that whenever I upload a video, you guys will know. Ooh, bars. But anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.